mess with the settings a little bit. Okay, welcome to Perfect Vermin, a game that I just recently found. Don't really know what it's about or what it holds, but we're about to find out, I guess. Okay. Ooh, I'm fast. I'm speedy with it. No smoking. There goes the door. 5. 5 what? Okay. I'm liking this game. Okay, I will not be opening any doors. Good to know. I'm either very high up or the ocean has gotten very high up. Don't know if I like either of those. What exactly am I looking for? I didn't really get an introduction to this game. I'm sorry, Mr. Fridge. I can't get through the metal, of course. I'm not that strong. I mean, I'm strong. Don't get me wrong, I'm strong. Just not metal strong. Don't... What kind of plan is that? I don't trust that. So what exactly am I looking for? Perfect vermin. Guessing I'm here to exterminate something. I did not really get an opening to this other than I'm here, I've got a sledgehammer, and I'm ready to do some work. Oh, I'm ready to do some work, alright. Was there a toilet using the toilet in here? Well, oh. Okay. I get it. So it's literally prop hunt solo, and I'm actually committing murder of horrific detail. Okay, so I have to find the imposters. 2 soap containers. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, everything looks good in here except for that. That didn't look good. What are you doing out here? Where did you belong? There's no other room for you? Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, I knew it. God, I'm gonna be so good at this now that I understand what I'm doing. Two couches in the entryway? I get it. You want a little fake? Yeah. I threw you off with the couch thing, but I also don't trust either of these couches. I should have trusted them. Why would there be a chair in the kitchen? Of course that was a vermin. I'm so smart. My brain is ginormous. I don't really know if there's a story to this or if they really just didn't like these things around here. God, now I'm worried about the chairs. It's been like 3 chairs in a row in a toilet. It's a lot of sitting apparatuses. This last one's hidden himself well. Clever girl. Well. So there's one more left. Guess I'm just gonna start breaking everything. If everything's broken, then it can't be alive. What are you still doing? Ah, you can't be broken. 2 desks? I guess that makes sense. Okay. Why didn't I notice you before? Ah! Yes, sir. My mistake. Led me. Of course. I apologize. Do it again, but better. Do I have to do it with you watching me now? Oh, I've got 90. Okay, I gotta do it in this small screen with the top. Okay, well, obviously, is it the same things? They hide poorly. Okay, well, that was the same one as before, which makes me think that you're also gonna be here. Yup. Okay. Where were the others? No. No. Over this way. In here. You. In here. No. No. You. And you. Okie dokie then. If you say so. Wish there was some ambient music or something. This is... There we go. Oh, your fingernails are very black. If you say so. Is there going to be jump scares in this game? Because if there are, I'm not going to like it very much. Okay. This time, no dilly-dallying. I'm going to find where these things are. And I'm going to destroy them. There's 6 this time. Yeah, that was pretty obvious. That all looks good. Man, I wonder where he is. Door behind a door. Well played. 360. Are you sure? It seems like they're screaming when I hit them. Yeah. Of course. The refrigerator toilet. It's always one of those where I am, too. Wonder if there's anything in the fridge this time. That shouldn't be there. Oh, all looks normal. Forgot I could do that to the fridge itself. You are an extra chair. You shouldn't be there. One more. Keep looking. It's waiting. What do you mean it's waiting for? No, that's not enough time. Did I get it? Oh. I had 9 seconds left on. What is happening to you? What is happening to you? Brother. You got things growing out of you. I can't believe I got that last share. That could have ended poorly. What? Okay. Oh. Oh. If you say so. I've got 80 seconds to find 5 of them. Okay. Okay. That doesn't make sense. That wouldn't be there. That's good. That's fine. That's all good. Good, good, good. 2 couches. Cool. 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 That's normal. Those are all normal. That's not normal. That's not normal. I'm pretty sure this is just the first floor I went onto, but upside down, so I should be able to tell where everything is. There was nothing in here. And you should be, again. Yeah, I'm so good at what I'm doing. He is not okay. If you say so. I'm doing my job. I'm doing what I was hired to do, apparently. Not exactly sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Okay. Oh, 90 seconds. Okay, I shouldn't have been dilly-dallying. I was dilly-dallying for far too long. There's 10 this time. I can find him. Another fridge. That's not normal. Dual couches. One of them. No. No, I should have known that. In here. That. Extra stapler. No. Okay, gotta move. Gotta move. Gotta move. Don't have time for this. 1, 2... No, that's all good. That's all good. That's all normal. Okay, in here. In here. Of course, there's gotta be something. No, that's all good. 50 seconds. Okay, washroom. Washroom. You, again. Good. 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 That's all fine. I got 5 more? It's always the chairs. It's gotta be another one of the chairs, right? It's always the chairs. They just gotta get better at hiding. I just gotta smash faster. Go, 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 go. Okay. In here, of course, I didn't check here. Well, I don't have time to look. I don't have time to look and think. I don't have time to look and think. Just gotta go. Just gotta get everything in here. It was absolutely nothing in here. I was lied to. It's gotta be one of these, then. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, no. Oh, no! Oh, I just gotta redo it. Okay, okay, okay. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, I thought something horrible was gonna happen to me. Okay, well then, okay. So, 1... 2... There's nothing else in here. No. Okay. I don't know what that sound keeps happening for. Just testing. Just theory testing. No, 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 no. Die. Would another one be hiding as a toilet? Because that would be smart. No, no. Okay, okay, we're good. Okay, good. No. I don't know. What else could it possibly be? No. I know you're one. I know there's 2 fridges in here. Oh. No, that's just one entirely. Am I missing something here? Okay. Oh, I can see 2 things in 2 different... I might be a little bit stupid. Okay, we're gonna do left side first. I didn't realize there were 2 different views. I was only looking at one side, and now I've realized I've been fooled and stupid this whole time. There was nothing in here. There's nothing in there. These 2. 2. Nothing in there. Get into the washroom. break in here. Okay, now right side. Now time to look on the right side. Oh my god, that is disorienting. You shouldn't be there. 3 more. 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. You shouldn't be there. 2 more. Okay. There we go. Now we're looking good. Now we're looking good. See, now we're getting somewhere. 2 more. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Where are you? Okay. In here, of course. Yes. God, I'm so good at what I'm... Oh, buddy. Oh. 20, huh? With 60 seconds, I got 20? Huh? Okay. That's fine. That's 1. Oh, Lord. That's 2. What? What? I can't jump. How am I supposed to exactly do this? I'm going down, I guess. We're going through. Okay. Just kill anything that looks out of place as we're moving through. That's another one. Out the window. Into darkness. Nope. Okay, I die if I do that. Good. Okay, I can respawn and keep going. That's another. That's another. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. We got 20 seconds. That's another. I'll get out of my way, because that's 1 more. No. No. Let me reach it. Yeah, no time. Okay. Okay, can't see. Can't see. Everything's going horribly wrong. Into here. Into that room. No. Through the window. Okay. Yeah, whatever you say. Yep. Obviously gotta crack them walls. Gotta break them walls down. Clearly. Not gonna question it. Gotta do what I gotta do. Doing what I gotta do. No problem with that. See? The elevator, right? Ah. I've been completely insane the whole time. That's the moral of the story. I'm actually not allowed to go near sledgehammers. Ah, hello, Ghost Doctor. Ready for my checkup? Was I killing people? In that office building, were those just people chilling? Is that why they were out of place? That was a guy using the toilet, not a toilet using the toilet. That was a guy using the fridge. There's a chair next to the desk. Oh. Ah, I followed orders. Good soldiers follow orders. I did what I needed to do, and I did what should have been done from the beginning. Eliminated Vermin with a sledgehammer. That was fun. I enjoyed that. That was a good game. That was fun. That was a very fun game. I enjoyed that a lot. Check it out on Steam. It's free to play. It's called Perfect Vermin. Very enjoyable. Except for the murdering part, maybe, but